3 Forex traders that have helped me grow on my Forex trading journey. What's up guys, it's your man Tricky T, and I'm an artist currently trading Forex to fund my music career, and my goal for this year is $100,000. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. Let's go. Now, here are my top 3 Forex traders that I follow that have really helped me on my journey. Like, their content, has really helped me. Number 1 is the one and the only Dapo Willis. You don't know this guy? In Forex, they're not in Africa, we are not in Nigeria. Dapo Willis is really an amazing Forex trader. He has done great things. This is a screenshot of his YouTube channel. He has this really amazing segment he calls Trader Talk, where he breaks down the market. Like, I learned so much from him. I've learned like zones, market zones and all that from him. He has an amazing course which I actually bought, and he's really an amazing guy. You should follow him. Like, he's dope. Number 2, Tori Trades. Now, she's not Nigerian, she's American. So if you don't understand, you might not really understand her, but she's really cool. And her strategy, she does like trend lines and support and resistance. She's really amazing. She has great content, great perspective, and the way she breaks down the market, you just really understand it. It's not complicated, So follow Tori Trades. She's really amazing. And the third person, it's not really a person, it's a channel, because it's a faceless channel. It's called Smart Risk. That's right, Smart Risk. Now, this channel is so great. Like, they break down everything from SMC, ICT, other blocks. Like, they have so much amazing content for free. Guys, like, if you're not following these guys, I think you're missing out, man. Smart Risk is that one it's called, and that's the channel. So amazing content. Now, these guys that I've called have really helped me on my Forex trading journey. I've trading for like 6 months, and then I hope that if you follow them and resonate with them, they'll also help you in your journey. Because I believe that, you learn from people that are doing what we intend to do, or have done what we want to do, So these are my recommendations for 3 Forex traders that you should follow as a new Forex trader. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found value. If you do, like, comment, subscribe, and let's chase this goal, $100,000, baby. See you guys on the next one. Peace out. Cheers.